Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 1 of JavaScript challenge series. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to print hello world with a delay of 3 seconds. So we can do this by using setTimeout in JavaScript. So first let's see the concept of setTimeout and then we will jump into the practical code. So what is the setTimeout? SetTimeout is a function which allows you to schedule the execution of a function or a piece of code after some specified amount of time has passed. So it's often used to create the delays in the code execution or to schedule some tasks to be performed in the future. So this will be the syntax of setTimeout and which will expect the function as the first parameter and the delay as the second parameter. So let's see the practical coding. So for this, I'm using Code Sandbox. So inside this, I'm going to create a button. So once user clicks on this button, we will log a message called hello world after a delay of 3 seconds. So we'll add a click handler which will call handle click function when user clicks on this button. So I'm going to create this function here. So inside this function, I'm going to add a delay of 3 seconds for the message by using setTimeout. So we can have the intelligence as well here. So this is the first parameter which will expect the function as a parameter where you can write anything like whatever you want you can write it here. So I'm introducing some delay for this message by the head set timeout and the second parameter expects the delay. So let us save this and click on this button for the delay. So once the 3 seconds are completed, we can get a message in the console called hello world. I'm going to clear this and click on this again and you can expect the message called hello world after 3 seconds. So that's all in this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and we are going to introduce many JavaScript challenges in the future videos. Thank you.